Audio Jungle.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back on my channel, Crypto Victoria. So, guys, here is another exciting, amazing review for my audience, and I hope you are doing very well. So, before starting their further next exciting review about this awesome platform, I would request if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further amazing videos notification. As you know that Victoria always come with a very amazing and new platform for my audience. So here is guys, let's go and let's start the review now. And here is I have to say that I am not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment. I am not responsible for your any profit or loss. You have to do your own research. Here is this is the only for educational purpose, guys. You have to do your own research before any investment. And here is welcome to Pepsi, guys. And I have to say, everyone, that today let's talk about meme coin, one of the most hyped trends in crypto. That's some consider them useless, or others and opportunity to make profit, rip off the cash. So this is the truth somewhere in the middle. Yes, many memes come coins are pure scam which lives for a couple of days and then fades away. So this is the but these are the tokens that really move the market, offering a useful technologies and real products like Dogs, Galaxy, Flock, and Pepsa, and here is of Rip of Cash. Others. So, guys, let's talk about today. We analyze about Pepsi, and this is a meme coin with real utility that's combined two major trends. Yes, here is I am talking about first one about a meme, and second one is artificial intelligence, and it is not a scam, a real project. Let's go and go to here. So now we talk about currently total our market cap, about how you can buy, and what is basically this project, how you can stake and you can earn a lot of profit here. So you have to don't miss, you have to stay tuned with me, and you have to don't skip any part of the video, guys. So this is total, as I'm talking about our market cap of meme coin is also exploded to almost 20 billion in January to 120 billion by December. That's about 500% increase in PIP. That's the market cap jumped from 500 million to 10 billion. So it's a huge profit, cat benefit. So this is about not everyone can make money. This is why, because they get too much scams project. But here is the solution. You have to just get to pick this meme with their real value. And yes, here is I am talking about Pepsi. That is just a meme, but an entire crypto ecosystem. It is a iconic image of Peep the frog empowered by artificial intelligence, and artificial intelligence that has come back to us from the future to give cool AI technology for a profit. And this project also has an ecosystem, not a token. This is AI technology is built into the project itself, not simply written in a white paper, but it's you can see, you can analyze about our long term, about our team, our about our platform. So here let's we review our websites. This is I have to come to say from the main dragon that's grant you superiority over others with the AI of the futures, and there is 300% tracking skies and super intelligence from the future. So be among the first gets on pre-sale before price skyrocket. So it will be gets huge potential in upcoming days. You have to just be part of this revolution meme coin, escape dragons and get massive profits, guys. So how you have to join? Here you can check out our 25 days, 17 hours, 29 minutes only just left here, and you have to buy. So here I will tell you how you have to purchase this awesome token, guys, in your wallet. This is very easy and very simple method. You have to put some of the currency here, like as you can see that you have to select base Ethereum, or which you have to, then you have to put some of the USDT. How much you want to buy, it's on to you. You have to put your amount there, and then you can get receive these awesome tokens in your wallet. Like here you can see that I have put 100 USDT. So and after that you have to firstly you have to connect your wallet. Like you can see that I have connected my wallet, and then You can see that after connecting my wallet, this token is now in my wallet. And guys, here you can also stack here and earn 300% stacking rewards here. Wallet here. So, guys, here is everyone is shocked by predictions from the future. And let's talk about this Pepsi. That's here you can see very big influences of promo agency like the Crypto, Nitro, and others that they give this about review of this awesome platform. And this is we have to mention. We have to coming on coin papers like crypto mode, and here is our first get insider info on upcoming listing, and we have to also choose our top media influencers that being publish this awesome platform one and only their channels. And guys, we have to do more listing on the famous future exchanges like on Binance, Bybit, Ox, and Qcoin. So just be part of this revolution. And this is the Pepsi your meme insiders. And in 2030 we have to do advanced so far that AI evolved into ASI, artificial super intelligence, and now we are here. What is the goal of our meme coin? It's to bring AI agents from the future to 2025 to save humanity and enables them to save and multiply their wealth. So this is a token that passed to the PEEP Kids Ideal and assess powerful AI agents that manage your profit flow and massively multiply your deposits. And guys, here is our white paper is also available. Here you can see that our staking rewards pool that is 300%, and here you can also check out our mission that is bring to AI agents from the future to the year 2025 to save humanity and provide it with the tools to preserve and growth. So guys, these are the basically our technologies that contain the price of website to sell skyrockets, and here you can check out your all of the profits, also your personal assistant, and where you can get meme stacking, NFT marketplace, farming, liquidity pools, and we have to also meme exchange with zero fees, with nothing you have to put, and cross chain bridge here, and you have to maximize your profit automatically in your ecosystem, and you have to just get massive bonus right here. You have to get access. And here is also about guys, now we talk about our tokenomics, that is the core of credit economy. Here we have to do pre-sale, that is about taking 30%, and then we have to do staking rewards, that is 25%. We have to do listing and ecosystem growth, also 10% for the team and advisor, 25% for the staking rewards, and 10% for team and advisor ecosystem growth. We have to put 15%, liquidity 25%. So here is a very easy and simple method how you can buy. You have to simply connect your wallet like MetaMask. You have to install from Google browser, and then you have to put some USDT like Ethereum into your wallet, and then you can get Pepsi wallet tokens. So guys, here you can also stack and you can earn more here. As I tell you about, you can 30%, 300% you can stack and earn rewards here, and you can compare these get rich 1000% you have to invest it, and you can get 27,000 here in 2025. So now it's on to you whether you have to get these benefits or not. And guys, here is our exclusive roadmap meme token. As I tell you about, if you have to join any of the platform, then you have to mostly read out their roadmap, because it gets all of the past future initial development. Here you can read out here what you have to ask, you have to questions you can read out. And guys, this is our Telegram community AI powered meme coin revolution, DeFi plus ASI, and our pre-sale is live now. Secure your Pepsi right now, and you have to join our community. And guys, this is our Twitter official account where you have to follow, like, comment, retweet. Here you can get our all of the further updations, news about our platform at our social medias account. So this is our Instagram account where you have to follow and like. And here you can also get our further updations about our platform. And you have to stay tuned with us. So I hope you join this, and see you next video. Thanks for watching.